Most people download location tracking apps for safety. But here's the surprising truth about iSharing. It can either protect your loved ones or feel like constant surveillance, depending on how you use it. iSharing is a family location sharing app. It allows you to see real-time locations of friends and family, send alerts, and receive notifications when someone arrives or leaves a location. The main feature is live GPS tracking. You can view a person's location on a map as long as they've accepted your invitation. This is useful for parents tracking children, couples sharing travel updates, or caregivers monitoring elderly family members. Another strong feature is geofencing. You can set safe zones like home or school. When someone enters or leaves these zones, you get notified. This is especially helpful for parents who want peace of mind. iSharing also includes panic alerts. If someone feels unsafe, they can send an emergency signal to selected contacts with their live location. Most people get this wrong by thinking it works without consent. Both users must accept tracking requests. Privacy settings allow users to pause sharing at any time. The downside is battery usage. Continuous GPS tracking can drain phone batteries faster than normal. Also, some features are locked behind a paid subscription. Another concern is emotional impact. Overusing tracking can create trust issues in relationships if not handled carefully. In conclusion, iSharing is a powerful safety tool when used responsibly. It's excellent for families and close circles, but it should always be used with mutual agreement. Subscribe for more app reviews that help you stay safe and informed.